Balenciaga cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect inside a new Balenciaga.
I think most of you experienced love once or multiple times in your life because some of you are normal but some of you are सलमान भाई of lockdown. भाई बंदा चार चार के साथ क्वारंटाइन है. But yeah, one thing I want to tell you all that love life should be romantic scene of Imran Hasmi. I think true love only occur in relationship of Nibba and Nibbi. I am not speaking these lines in here because if you'll see or hear their conversation, then for a moment you'll get shocked and surprised. Most of their conversation will start with Babu. I mean how? How he or she became your Babu? And the most popular dialogue of them are मेरे बाबू ने थाना थाया. ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो. No, if he hadn't eaten, what to do feed him? Sometimes I think how they talk like that. I don't know how they think all that and make it in form of conversation because it's a very tough one to do false brag.
Yeah, boy, yeah, me.
But there has one thing between them which make me to feel good. You know what it is? It's their obsession. They have very obsessed about their lovers. And you know what's their favorite song? No, their favorite song is कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए. कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए. तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं. तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं. तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए. तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए. But wait for a minute. If he or she came on this earth only for you, then how some of them marry with others? I told you na, all is a case of false brag. So be aware from all that. Sometimes I feel very bad for him or her when I hear they are no longer in relationship. Sorry, but really I feel very bad about them when I hear they are no longer in relationship. I think how they got break up, how means something unusual. You know what Nibba and Nibbi say after breakup? No, they say my heart breaks up into multiple of pieces like glass. Have you ever seen a glass falling down on any surface and breaks up into multiple of pieces just like that? Yes, their heart break up into multiple of pieces, broke down into multiple of pieces, and they feel very bad, very sad about them. All time they only think about their loved ones and feel very bad about them. Sorry. And at the end, I want to tell only one thing. Never take fight from Nibba and Nib because they have power of love. They have power of love. Seriously?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
So be aware from all that because You know what I am trying to say. So if you will relate any topics which covered in this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, like this video and share with this video with your Nibba and Nibbi friend. Thanks for watching this video, guys.